Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to remove password of Tecno T484. So first thing you have to do is to insert your battery and power it on. Try your luck, maybe you will succeed. Input your password. You see it will tell you wrong password. You see, let me try again. Wrong. Then for the last time, wrong password. So what you just need is to remove the battery and switch to your PC. So I tried to make use of this miracle. It doesn't work for me. So you just select MTK and also tick read unlock IMEI. This is normal setup for other phones. I think you can see the error, port ERR. So I try to make use of formatting method. It's telling me the same thing. Just keep watching, you will see. I click on format, then untick this safe mode. Click advance, then start button. This is asking you maybe you want to back up your phone. Click no and insert your keyboard. Sorry guys, I'm just using one hand to operate everything. I think you can see it's not working. So look at the error. What I just did is to look for this software. I will also give you the link in the description below for you to download. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share my video with friends. Not only that, you can also comment and tell me what you want me to do for you. So launch this application Flash Tools like this one, then click on format, then select reset factory default and click OK, and also insert your cable. Now you are good to go, but don't forget to configure your PC before you try all this method. Without that, you won't be able to get everything done, and after flashing you will see this green mark. What I mean by configuring your PC is to install necessary drivers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.